Must be painting upstairs.
But you know, $1,000 to buy a house and hook it up.
No, that ain't no paint. That's kills. It's still killing. Oh, you painting here? Okay.
Got 2 bedrooms. Downstairs.
The little stone. Same thing I did on all the drive, basically.
That wouldn't be the same as backsplash. That's not what that's called.
Nah, I mean, same material. It can be the same material, but backsplash. I'm talking about the stone. Like, you remember all the drive house that had a squatter?
No, you're gonna get it back.
No, you're gonna get back. This is my house. You gonna get out eventually? It's my property. It's my property.
Yeah.
The white had the marble stone on the fireplace. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I didn't tell him to do it, but I'm gonna have to see what he's gonna charge me and put that extra.
It's gonna because that's gonna have a lot of light in here too.
On this wall, I'm gonna do me a little. It's gonna be an accent wall, you know, like at my house.
Oh, who?
The abstract wall.
Oh yeah, you did that yourself though, didn't you?
Of course,
Yeah.
come on, it's about to be
Yeah, you are, you're multi-talented.
But it ain't gonna be as colorful. We'll just do a navy blue with some type of design on it on this wall, and then going up these steps. I'm gonna do the same thing, same navy blue accent wall going up the steps with the. I don't know what kind of design I'll do yet, but it's gonna be something.
So you got the vision, like Drake told Future or Future told Drake. You got the vision. You got a vision.
I'm not aware of who Future and Drake is.
You don't know who Future and Drake is?
No.
In real life?
I don't know. On YouTube Live.
That's a nice, beautiful backyard. Kids can have their own little park back there. You know, you don't know who Future and Drake is. What university on? You listen to jazz or something now?
Do I listen to jazz?
Yeah.
No, jazz sucks.
You don't know who Future and Drake is? Oh, you listen to Kendrick Lamar.
Yeah, nigga.
Oh, they not like us, you know what I'm saying?
What's happening? Y'all scared? Nope. Somebody painted the door yellow. Oh, it's a reflection. I'm about to say what?
Oh yeah, it's yellow.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's cool.
This we did one code for we can know where we're gonna patch and where doesn't.
Yeah. That's cool.
Anthony,
Yo.
over here, I think we should go all the way to the top, no?
I mean, if you got enough.
I got enough.
Oh, yeah. Well, over here too or no?
Yeah, but you didn't bring the faucet yet.
I didn't? I can go get that right now since I ain't doing nothing. I got a couple hours till the kids get out of school.
So we are keeping it on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who changed that? Him?
Keeping it simple. Leave me alone. Excuse me.
So you out here changing plans?
I didn't know that was the plan. What do
You
mean?
did know that was the plan.
Jerry, did you know? Yeah, go on downstairs. Anyway, we gotta go get a faucet. So I need just the thing at the top and the
Him on Channel 2 News tonight.
what? Yeah, y'all heard that.
Channel 2 News.
Y'all heard that. Y'all heard that.
He ain't heard nothing.
This way we're gonna be like 85% done. So all the molding it should be done and most of the paint.
I thought you done kill somebody.
Nah.
No.
Man, they said they want $400 to replace these glass.
This class?
Both.
Oh no.
There's nothing here.
But why don't you look for a new window instead of
A
replacing?
new one, well yeah, a new one's $450. Okay, so if you get rid of that, it'll just be
It'll be open, more open.
more open.
Maybe get like, maybe have it set up to where somebody could possibly put a bar stool here.
But
I'm gonna let the garbage sit this week. If they don't take it, I'm gonna bring it in before we get a ticket.
oh, they'll give a ticket.
Yeah, sometimes.
So yeah, I guess if you get rid of that wall and do the, I could definitely find a. They sell what you talking about, the granite pieces. They got them at Papa's. It was $200.
He said you might be able to find some on Market.
But
If
you gotta
do
cut
that,
it.
You're doing the house completely different. Why? Because as soon as you walk in, you have more like the kitchen opening and you have a bar right here.
Right.
That way, a lot of people, that's what they like, you know.
That's what I'm trying to tell him. That's what I've been trying to tell him, Jerry. He don't listen.
First of all, I'm the visionary around here. Remember that. Well,
But I'm the woman. In most cases, women see things small, those small, simple things like that, and they're like, "Ooh, it's got a bar." It's simple, I know, but that's really how it is. And a nice, cute bathroom that's not like all the rest of the bathrooms.
That way we can have 6 inches hanging this side.
So stove over here.
Yeah.
You say, oh, ceiling paint, right? Flat.
Yes.
5 gallons.
Well, as far as the charges, that's
at the same time. So they have different things and different, for every different house, different run at the end or whatever. You just do your home. I was on the building because and I could have, did what I did to prevent all that.
Got my nifty camera. This is my guy George from Ohio.
What's up? What's up?
You got them Toro spots. You got to show me how to do that. I did, cause I want to know what I did wrong. Cause I had I put a CX-9 on there, and it was basically new. I'm like, why didn't
The Corvettes?
No. The CX, it was a Mazda CX. It's an SUV.
Okay.
It's like a 3-row.
Okay.
And I'm like, I ain't getting out one booking. I'm like, what did I do wrong?
This is 39.
Yeah, she's a young buck.
No. Everything the same.
Oh yeah, it looks nice. The yellow. I think this is the first time we did yellow. Remember the last one you picked pink?
You pick.
You painted the walls pink.
It was the whole house.
Well, yeah, the whole house, it was pink. I'm like, damn, it didn't look like that when I picked it. But
Actually, my last property I bought got the same color.
yeah, I thought in the store it looked more cream. In here it looks more
And then
canary-ish.
your partner was mad.
Yeah, he was like,
you paint the house pink for?
why you paint the house pink? I'm like, it wasn't pink in the store. What you mean? It sold though the next day. The same day I put it on the market. It got an offer.
For example, in those bedrooms, they can run them like this up to here, and then from here they flip them. They run different. But you never notice too. You start demo the first wall. You cut a piece from the ceiling, and then you will see what you got. Lights up.
Oh, you talking about down here? Yeah, you put the lights up. I thought it was recessed lights. Oh yeah.
It's a
fan right
fan
here.
over there.
You put a fan in that one, I guess. And it's already one here. You can keep that, right?
You gonna switch it?
It's fine. It looks good.
Okay, so then I'm gonna clean just the paint up in the top.
Yeah, that
Clean
was
it from the
fine.
top.
You keep that one. I would say if you can pull it closer. Can you lift it up or no?
No.
Oh, because I like the flush mount better, but I guess it's not that low. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine, I guess. Yeah, it's fine, I suppose. No biggie. This one definitely can go. It's ugly. And just put a light, one of those lights.
One,
there.
2, 3.
Yeah. Right here, I'm gonna put a fan though.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go buy the fan. I already got the light for here. I got the light for this bathroom. So I basically need the 2 vanities and the kitchen cabinets and some fan and a toilet and a seat. And a toilet seat.
And 2 fans.
2 fans.
Yesterday we almost got fired, remember?
I talked. What's the refrigerator? 36, right? 36. Yeah, right. That's why I'll be bringing her.
She was mad that why we didn't demo the walls upstairs.
Oh yeah, because she wanted it to be a 3-bedroom. I'm like, get more money for a 2. I mean for 4. So boom, boom. Guess the
You
cabinets.
need some help? Oh.
No, I think I got it. I think I'm trying to think. So if the cabinets stop here. Boom. I guess they're gonna stop here. That's gonna be awkward.
With the so who they come pick them up from you?
No, so my host, the way he does it, he actually has like all the cars parked in like pretty much like a banking parking lot where the bank basically allow him to do it. And people actually, so they go through that verification process, and it's basically no person-to-person contact because he have lock boxes on them. Once they verify who they are and everything is cool with Turo, he'll send them a tutorial video on how to open the lock boxes, close it, and then basically
sort of like how they do with Airbnbs with the contactless, whatever they call it. So you gotta pay him though.
Yep, but it's well worth it for all of the stuff that he has to go through.
He
always,
So do they offer that, Turo, or you got to find your own?
To find your own, but I mean, you can go through Turo. They can link you up with someone, like because he do the Airbnb. Him and his wife does the Airbnb too. That's who me and my wife just had a meeting with Saturday about Airbnb, and my wife was like, "Well, we might as well try to start off in Detroit."
Yeah, downtown?
Somewhere in Detroit.
Believe it or not, they got Airbnbs in the hood. I'm dead serious. It'd be like $30 a night. I'd be like, if you go look at the house, it'd be like, they don't do nothing to them. I'm like, people actually rent these? And then they have like 5 stars and stuff.
That's crazy.
I'd be
I seen some videos of a dude in Chicago in the hood, but man, once you see how laid out them dang apartments
They don't even do that. Not in Detroit. Not the ones in the hood. But there's some, like the ones downtown be fly. But yeah, I want to get started some Toros. I was going
It's definitely well worth it, and even my host, he can actually mentor you too on it too, and he's super reasonable. Or with like, but see, you already got the detailing thing on lock, so you'll probably save some doing it yourself. But even with the headache of like dealing with the clients and stuff like that, he sent me some like screenshots of what he got to go through. Like his customer service is impeccable too, because one day he was telling me like I had just purchased a minivan. Me and him partnered up on a minivan, and one of the clients was saying that the air conditioner went out, and I think the people was on their way to Iowa or somewhere. And
so you let them leave the state?
Yeah, they go anywhere. That's how the one car got totaled. Well, 2 of my cars is actually in Atlanta.
Really?
One, the engine went out, and then the other one, the total dude had, I guess he hydroplaned into the wall or something like that, flying. And
so, do you charge more for them to go out of
nope.
state?
That's another thing too. Doing unlimited miles, making a killing.
Oh, okay. Is it? It was a while ago. I was watching something about this guy who do tour rentals, but he was saying like, don't do luxury rentals because it's not worth it. Is that true?
No, it's if you know what you're doing. Like if you going on trying to do the luxury rentals and trying to put all of these restrictions in it where they only can go a certain, then you probably ain't gonna make no money. Actually, they say my host was telling me that a lot of people that got in the Turo game was trying to put the restriction where you only can travel up to 200 miles, and then after that it's like 50 cents a mile or something like that, and they ain't making no money. But if you do unlimited, making a killing. They stay booked.
Because I was gonna put my vet on there, but I was like, it's gonna get crashed. No.
But the thing too, all of that goes on Turo insurance. It won't come back on your insurance.
I seen, because I remember when I put the miles on there, it was like a 70. They got like a 70 split, a 50 split, and a 30 split, something like that.
They got a 90-10, and that's what my host is on, a 90-10.
So you keep 90?
Yep.
So that you must got your own insurance then.
So you had your personal insurance for like when the cars are parked and no one's renting them, but soon someone actually rents them. It's Turo. Yep, like that car that just got totaled is all through Turo. It's not gonna be filed on my insurance or anything.
Really?
Yep. 90-10. Now the deductibles is a little bit higher when it comes to like if you have to make a claim. I think it's like $2,500 deductible.
Oh, that ain't nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I always go for the highest deductible with anything.
Actually, my license, the continuing education I supposed to just done, it just passed. So I think my license is probably not valid in
I'm gonna redo
Florida
this
anymore.
Look at this.
That's cool. What's wrong? Is it wobbly? I thought you were taking it down.
Well, I was gonna cut it here, but it's all loose.
Oh, okay. You know what you're doing? Oh yeah, just like a little. I don't know. Yeah, get rid of all that frustration.